Hey guys, I'm Derek. Welcome back to my workshop. So I'm going to be working on this again, and I'm basically just gonna, well, you'll see, but I'm just gonna kind of expand it out a little bit and put a piece of sheet metal over the top, paint it so it's done and over with, and then put some new hooks on it. I don't know if I'll get it all done tonight, but I'm gonna try. And yeah, I just want to get this project done and out of the way so it's just finished with and I don't have to think about it anymore. So I can finish working on the dump cart and just get that over with so I can move on to something else, because I'm starting to get real bored with the dump cart. It's starting to cost me more money than it ever was supposed to, and not only cost me more money, but it's just not, it just isn't going to work out the way I wanted it to. A little bit of a disappointing project. I think the final product is going to be really cool, but it's just not exactly what I set out to do to begin with, and so just a little bit disappointed. But yep, so I'm gonna get working on the old welding cart. Alright guys, it's 12:30 at night as I film this, and I still got to clean up, so I didn't quite get to the painting or adding the hooks, but I will later, and I'm probably not going to film it and add it to the video. So yeah, I mean, I think after we paint it red, it'll look probably a little better because it'll match, but it is a little funny looking right now. But functionality wise, it's pretty dang sturdy. Didn't want to touch it too much because it's pretty hot. But all right, there it is. A little bit of a mess, but it is done. I just painted it black because that's what I had on hand. I was planning on painting it red because I thought I had red, but I wanted to just get it done. And yeah, I just kind of threw the welders on there because I'm getting kind of done for the night. But yep, so there it is. It's all finished up. Before I go though, if you're a subscriber, I just want to say thank you for subscribing. I really appreciate it. It means a lot to me. Thanks for sticking around through these slow upload times. I'm super busy with school right now and everything, so thanks for being a subscriber. Whoops, thanks for being a subscriber, and keep watching. Thanks.